Now, in the previous lecture, we studied about MRP screens 1, 2, and 3, and 4. In MRP 1, we had different segments like types, general data, MRP areas, procurement, special procurements, net requirements, scheduling, planning, availability check, things like that. Okay. Now, what we'll do is go into configuration, PRO, logistics. Okay. In logistics, we have material master, basic settings, material types, basic settings, material types, define attributes. We will define the attributes. Okay, over here we will have FERT. FERT is basically finished goods material type. If we double click this, we have settings and configuration for all of our finished goods area, which means that whenever we will create a material master, we will have to fill in the details like accounting, classification, MRP, purchasing, that we have already seen in the previous lecture, the material master. Okay. So these many screens will be available to us. Okay. And so we can also configure our material finished goods basically for cross plant as well. So material status will be like if from one plant to another plant, if the material is getting shipped, it can get locked and that it cannot be issued until the quality is done or not. Quantity structure, what is quantity structure? Quantity structure is the combination of bills of material, which is BOM, and routing. So quantity structure is that. Okay. So next is basically internal and external purchase orders, whether um, external, internal or external purchase orders are that whether this finished good can be procured from outside or not. Okay. Internal purchase order means whether it can be produced in-house or not. Okay. If we talk about valuation, it will be priced at standard price, and that its quantity and value will be updated by plant. Valuation area is plant, nothing but plant. And quantity will also be updated at plant level. Okay. Quantity and value updating. Over here, we'll go for our plant reference. Double 842. Okay, over here in this plant, now what is this basically? Valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but plant. The other name for valuation area is plant. Why? Because valuation means that if your plant is in different location or different country, then valuation will happen in that currency and then it will be taken care of in your company code currency, which is local currency or where your company is based. Quantity and value will be updated at plant level. Okay. Okay, material types, non-valuated material. Now, what are non-valuated material? Like samples or research items. Okay, these are non-valuated materials or free goods. Non-finished product, non-valuated material. In non-valuated material, let's see just how uh, it will be configured or made at the front end. Only purchasing, basic data, storage, quality, and sales will be, these screens will be populated. Okay. It will have no pricing whatsoever, no price control, and its value will not be updated because it's non-valuated material. And if you go this into this area, quantity and value update, 8842, and quantity can get updated, but value will not get. Okay. Data was saved. Okay. Next, non-valuated quantity as updated service material types. So we have different kinds of material types like non-valuated stock, consignment stock, semi-finished good, and material types like services. Okay, pipeline material. This is basically for material that is on the way, or it can be used for chemical and oil and gas terms as well. Okay. Now, going back again, material master, configuring the material master and define structure of screens. Now, these are the screens that I was actually talking about. You can restructure your data screens as per your knowledge. Okay. We actually go for standard industrial short tab pages. And in that, you'll see the data screens. Okay. What are data screens here? Data screens, we'll see, for example, if you look at this 21 is our screen sequence, the main screen. Okay, the main selection. And over here, we can see the data screen. What is data screen? As we see in Material Master, we can actually have a look at how the Material Master will actually look like. So you can, from configuration, have a look how it will basically look like. Okay, we can configure this as well. Define industry sector, industry specific field selection. Okay, let's go back. Material Master field selection. Define industry sectors. Define industry sectors. Over here, we can determine what industry sector will have which field reference, whether it will be taken care of by raw materials, ROH, or FERT. Okay. And over here, I'm actually looking for M, which is mechanical engineering, and we have ZVZV. We don't need ZVZV. Mechanical engineering. Okay. What we can do is basically we can assign um, uh, material type to certain industry. We can have um, specific industry as well. Field selection, field selection for data screens. Now we've already seen the data screen. The data screen was 21. Okay. And position, FERT, in FERT, purchase order unit of measure is optional entry. So whenever you actually go into the first screen, front end screen, it will not actually push you to fill it. It will not be obligatory to give you the unit of measure. Or if you want to make it obligatory, you can make it from here. For example, if I give 96, 96 is nothing but tax classification. And in FERT, we have optional entries, which is good. Okay. Because we'll be using this in HALB. HALB is semi-finished good. Okay. And let's see if the taxation ROH. In ROH, which is raw material, it is also optional entry. I hope you're getting the point. Material mass basis and define number range for each material type. Basic settings, configuring, define number range. Define number range for each material type. And we have the number range over here, change groups. If you go down and see our material type will also be here. And if it is not there, we can actually create our own group as well. If you want to really see what intervals are available. Now, whenever we actually create a material, any of these material numbers will be assigned to us. Okay. So how we can assign that? Change groups, create group, and we can say we want FERT, starting with what? Um, define, So we can overlaps with internal 75. So for some reason, this is overlapping, and we'll have to actually check where is the overlap. But anyways, um, thing is, if you look at the intervals, we'll have to actually take care of the numbering range as well. If you can see over here, okay, we can add our own. This is from 1 to 50, 40 are up. 40 is the number status. Okay, so that's how we can assign number ranges. Okay. Okay. Now, bills of material. What is bills of material? Bills of material is basically a list of components that will be used to produce one unit of a product or material, as we see over here. For example, if you want to make a pen, you need these materials to get pen assembled. It does not actually show you the process. It just shows you a list of the product. Categories: material, sales order bomb, standard bomb, functional location, equipment bomb, preference strategy bomb, document strategies for drawings like in civil engineering or electrical engineering. You need a material or plant engineer for structural engineering, a whole map. That is basically document strategy. For a material bomb to be made, we need a plant and a material master already present. So that was it for today lecture. I believe that was understandable.